Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly, we keep it natural. Today's topic is pets and animals, funny stories.
Hi everyone, I'm Steve, and I love animals.
Me too. Do you have a pet, Steve?
I don't have a pet, but I have a neighbor's cat.
A neighbor's cat?
Yes, the cat visits me. The cat judges me. The cat leaves.
That sounds like a real cat.
Very real. Cats don't live with you. They allow you to live near them.
Okay, this is already funny.
Today we will talk about pets and animals. Funny moments. Simple English, real life.
Perfect. Let's start. Steve, quick question. Are you a dog person or a cat person?
Both. Dogs are happy. Cats are mysterious.
Mysterious is a good word.
Yes, cats look at you like, interesting. You are doing human things. Dogs look at you like, you are my best friend forever.
Exactly.
So I like both, but I think I am more of a dog person
Why?
because I like clear love. No confusion, no judgment.
Cats bring judgment.
Yes, cats bring a lot of judgment.
Pets have funny habits. Tell me a funny animal habit.
Okay, dogs do this thing. They spin in a circle before they sit.
Yes.
It's like they are saying, okay, perfect spot. And cats do this thing. They sit inside small boxes.
Even if the box is tiny.
Yes, the cat is big, the box is small, and the cat says, I fit. Birds do funny things too. They repeat sounds. They copy people.
That can be scary.
Imagine your bird says, who ate my snacks?
And then you look at your family.
Exactly. The bird causes drama.
Tell us about the neighbor's cat.
Okay, the cat's name is Luna.
Cute name.
Luna comes to my door. She meows, like she owns the place.
Classic.
I open the door. She walks in slowly, like a queen.
A queen cat.
Yes. Then she looks around. She smells my couch. She sits, and she stares at me.
Why?
I don't know. I think she is thinking, this human is interesting. Then I give her water. She drinks a little. Then she leaves.
Just like that?
Yes. No goodbye. No thank you.
Cats don't say thank you.
Never.
And the next day?
Next day, she returns. Same routine. She checks my house. She judges my life. She leaves.
That is not a pet. That is a landlord.
Exactly. I pay rent in water.
Let's use some simple words. Not a list, just natural.
Okay.
Dog, cat, bird, fish, puppy, kitten.
Puppy is a baby dog. Kitten is a baby cat.
Great. Leash.
Leash is the rope for walking a dog.
Yes. Collar.
Collar is around the neck.
Perfect. Treats?
Treats are snacks for pets.
Exactly. And pets love treats.
More than they love us sometimes.
Okay, my turn. I have a dog story.
I'm ready.
My friend has a dog. The dog is small, but brave.
Small but brave. I like that.
One day, a delivery person comes. The doorbell rings.
Ding dong.
The dog hears it. The dog runs to the door. The dog barks like a lion.
Like a lion.
Yes. Bark, bark, bark. Very loud.
The dog says, I will protect this house.
Exactly. The delivery person is calm. He just waits.
He has experience.
Yes. My friend opens the door. The dog barks more. The delivery person gives the package.
And the dog wins.
The dog feels like a hero. Then the delivery person leaves.
Okay.
And the dog stops barking immediately.
Like, job done.
Exactly. Then the dog looks at my friend like, you're welcome.
Dogs want credit.
Always.
Pets are funny because they have personality.
Yes. Some pets are calm. Some are energetic.
Some are shy. Some are loud.
Some are friendly.
Some are rude.
Rude pets?
Yes, like Luna, the landlord cat. Also, pets get jealous.
That's true.
If you talk to another dog, your dog is like, "Excuse me?
Excuse me?
I am your best friend."
Pets have feelings.
Big feelings.
One more quick story. A silly pet moment.
Okay.
One time, I saw a cute dog in the street. I said, "Aw, hi."
Nice.
The dog came close. I talked to the dog like a baby.
Everyone does that.
Then I realized it was not a dog.
What?
Yes, it was a very fluffy cat.
A fluffy cat in the street?
Yes, the cat looked at me like, "Please stop."
Cats hate baby talk.
Yes. I said, "Sorry," and I walked away.
That cat tells the story today.
One human confused me with a dog. Let's do a short, natural dialogue, like two friends.
Okay.
Do you have a pet?
Not really, but a cat visits me.
A cat visits you?
Yes. She acts like she owns my house.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
Dog person, but I respect cats.
What's a funny pet habit?
Dogs spin before they sit. Cats sit in tiny boxes.
So true. Let's do a quick recap. Today, we talked about pets and funny animal stories. Dog, cat, bird, fish, puppy, kitten.
Leash, collar, treats.
And we learned something important,
What?
that cats don't live with you. They visit you.
Yes.
Thanks for listening to Read to Talk.
Like and subscribe for more easy English podcasts.
See you next time. Bye.